Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we are going to be repairing our sun visors in our Jeep, and it's our 2021 Jeep Wrangler. It's a Sport S Unlimited. It's a beaut with the third row seating back there. Yeah, definitely check out those videos. Anyways, we got this problem. Let me show you. Where right there, you can see it. That's our problem. Our sun visor just doesn't stay up. Not sure what happened or when it happened, but it happened. And we have this awesome kit right down here. I will put in the description below. You guys can get this awesome little sun visor clip kit. It comes with the two sun visor repair pieces, which essentially are just extensions and some longer screws. And then it does have the tools that you need, but I've got a drill and we've got the Torx keys right here. So let's dive in, roll that intro. All right, so what we're gonna do first, we're just gonna pull this down and we'll pop that out, pull that to extend it, then we'll get these two bolts out. But I'm also going to loosen this, get it out of the way. All right, so you got two screws, one up here, and they are a T20, which is a Torx bit, so a star. And we're gonna go ahead and just get those out and then show you the next step. All right, I got one side in there now, but I wanted to show you that there is a flat side, which is the top side, and then there's the bumped up side, which is the bottom side. And then you just want to get that notch right around the sun visor bracket. So I'm gonna put the other screw in and then show you again. All right, there we go. Look at that. That is so much better. It's not as flimsy now. Actually stands up. Hook that guy on there and it's not gonna drop. But I need to pull ours out, pull this back, and hook our bungee back up, which I think I'm gonna run through here this time. Do a little different. Boom, there we go. Driver's side is done. Now it's time to do the passenger side. It's not quite broken yet, but we're just gonna do it because we got it. So it's the same steps, but I'll go ahead and show you. Go ahead and, yep, just pull it out this way. Nope, just pull it out this way. Pull, don't hang, pull.
You're gonna have to do that.
And then slide. Boom, there we go. All right, there's a super simple, quick fix for you. If this helped you out, smash that thumbs up. Don't forget to click the right subscribe button, and we will catch you in the next one. Have a great day. God bless you all. Yee. Head over to the Arctic Vette family channel. Check out what we've been doing. See y'all later. God bless.